Can't find how to give your employee time off in Gusto? Learn the exact 12-click process to record it in under a minute. We'll start by finding the Time Off section in Gusto. Then select your employee, pick the dates, choose full or partial days, and click Record Time Off. First, open up Gusto in your browser. Then click on Time and Attendance. And from there, go into the Time Off section. Click on Record Time to kick things off. Now, click and select the employee you're giving time off to. Then, click and pick the appropriate time off policy. Click on the Dates Requested field. For example, click on the 9th for the start. Now click and select the end of time off. Let's pick the 17th as the end. Click on Full Days to use 8 hours per weekday, Monday through Friday. Or click on Partial Days if you need something different. Finally, click on Record Time Off to save it, and you're all done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.